So right now, I'm printing the Prusa RC2 Mask, and I'm doing it on both my TAS 5s. My mini is actually too small for the RC mask, so I'm keeping this as backup for smaller parts that they need. And thanks to Twitter, someone else actually figured out how to put 3 RC2s on one build plate. So this one I'm printing with a copolymer pt.1, and you can do up to 3 at a time on a plate, so I'm going to be running that. It does take about 6 hours to do it though, with just a standard TAS 5 nozzle at 0.5 millimeter. And then I remembered I had the MOARstruder. Someone else on Twitter pointed out that you could print these with more. Now it is not, the RC2 is not designed for bigger nozzles, because the MOARstruder has a 1.2 millimeter nozzle. So it is a little bit rough, and I'll have to clean that up. But once you get it started, it can crank out 2 masks in about 2 hours, 2 face shield pleats in 2 hours. So thank you, Twitter, and everyone who's doing the face plates, for coming up with your ideas and sharing them. That's the strength of open source. So this should be done in about 2 hours, and I'm not going to time lapse these right now. I've already started collecting some masks, and so they want you to label the material, what date you printed it, and who printed it on the bags. And I'm going to mail these overnight over to Children's Hospital. I was going to have a courier pick them up, but it turns out the entire courier service for the hospital is in self-quarantine. There are other groups around the world that are collecting 3D printed parts and doing and organizing, so if you want to do that, go ahead and get that together. You can sign up with your local group. I'll put the link for the Colorado group here. Question about cleaning this up. Have plenty of alcohol in hand as well as wipes. I wiped down the machines before I even started. So clean the build plate, sterilized it, and after I'm done getting everything cleaned up, I'm going to soak them again in some bleach. And the hospitals, no matter what, will sterilize these as well. So I'll put the link for the RC2 face mask in the description. Also, I'll have the link for the Colorado group. And pretty much with this, definitely put a skirt around, because when you print, to really keep the try to keep it together. This is designed for a finer nozzle. You can do it with more, or one of the new volcano hot ends, but it'll take some practice. So let's hack the pandemic and get everything, and get these face shields printed up, crank them out as fast as we can, get them to hospitals in need. Thank you.